Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. It was said by Mahatma Gandhi, a great leader, a compassionate human being, an exemplary visionary, an inspiration, the Mahatma. One will get sort of his words to explain the capability of this person. He said, in a gentle way, you can shake the world. And that's exactly what he did. He stood true to his principles and shook the whole world with his methods and ideologies. October 2nd is also celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence to spread idea and awareness among people through public awareness activities. Today, I would like to mention 6 important takeaways from Mahatma Gandhi's life. First one is non-violence. It is the greatest weapon at the disposal of mankind. Mahatma Gandhi had proved this by achieving independence for us through non-violence. Second one is truth and honesty. Gandhiji showed us that truth alone triumphs, and this is evident from a lot of his real life stories. He led a life of truth, seeking of truth. He organized many satyagrahas in India and abroad. The next takeaway is tolerance and forgiveness. Forgiveness is a virtue, and the very famous story of Mahatma Gandhi showing his right cheek when someone slapped on his left cheek stands proof of how forgiving Gandhiji was. He said that an eye for an eye only ends up making the whole world blind. Such a simple yet powerful thought. Next takeaway is perseverance. A river cuts through the mountains not because of its strength, but because of its perseverance. Quite often we give up when we get a task tough, but Mahatma Gandhi was a living example of how perseverance can lead to success. The next takeaway is mindfulness. Often we take decisions in hurry, but decisions taken in hurry leads to wrong consequences. And moreover, once a decision is taken, cannot be reversed. The great Mahatma said, you must be the change that you wish to see in the world. Next important thought of Mahatma Gandhi, which inspired me a lot, is nationalism or patriotism. It's the most important character of Mahatma Gandhi, despite of studying in the Europe and working in the Africa for 24 years together. He was a great patriotism, and nationalism was running in his blood vessels. There are many more to mention about this splendid man. The glasses, the dhoti, the charkha, the khadao, the wooden footwear, one man and one emotion, Mahatma Gandhi. This Gandhi Jayanti, let us salute him. Jai Mahatma Gandhi, Jai Bharat. Thank you so much.
Go. A warm good morning and a happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. I am highly obliged to get a chance to talk about the significance of Gandhi Jayanti on this auspicious occasion. We are all aware of Gandhiji and his life. Let us recollect a few events in his life. First of all, I would like to remind you that many years ago, on the 2nd October of the year 1869, a person was born who was destined to be a great leader. He was none other than Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhiji was not only a great freedom fighter, he was also a great philosopher and a writer. He always loved a simple and a disciplined life. Due to his great qualities, people called him Bapuji and respected him very much. Gandhiji went to London to study law and became a barrister. On returning, he joined the Indian National Congress and led many campaigns and for farmers, peasants and labourers. He fought for rights of the women and against the caste discrimination. He led the most historic freedom struggle, including Salt Law known as Dandi March and the Quit India movement. He made people believe that they can challenge the might of the British. Due to his great achievements, people called him the Mahatma Gandhi. Later on, he was called the father of a nation. Gandhiji always believed in religious pluralism and a secular nation. Later on, at the age of 80, Gandhiji was assassinated by Nathuram Godse, a Hindu nationalist, on January 13, 1948. When alive, he gave many messages to the students, children, and public. We should be happy to follow at least one aspect of his message. We will be recognized and respected in our society. Thank you.
Mahatma Gandhi always said his life is a message for everybody. The message was courage, harmony, non-violence and peace. This message was also maintaining brotherhood among each other, irrespective of any differences. In today's world, we deal with injustice and violence all around us. Gandhiji was a beam of light that always showed us paths of how to live our lives with truth, peace and non-violence. He sacrificed his life and fought till the death for Indians' independence. Being Indians, we must pay him honor and respect by following his guided path of simplicity and truthfulness. His path of truthfulness and honesty always inspire Indians to follow for betterment of India's future. Gandhiji may not be among us anymore, but his principle will be among us forever. Before ending, let us remind ourselves the wise thoughts of Bapu on education. The future depends on what we do in the present. There are 2 days in the year that we cannot do anything, yesterday and tomorrow. If we want to reach real peace of life in this world, we should start educating students. Once again, wishing you happy Gandhi and Shastri Jayanti.